Ever heard of an artificial lake in Twin Cities? Yes, you probably did. That's in Parkview City, Islamabad. But the lake that we are going to talk about possesses some unique features. Firstly, this lake is in direct facing of residential projects, which means that we have farmhouses, residential farmhouses, which are directly in facing of this lake. Secondly, it isn't just a lake, rather it is completely regulated by the spillways for the cleansing and the controlled flow of natural water incoming. We're talking about artificial lake in Gulberg Greens, Islamabad. Where we extend wholehearted appreciation towards society for fulfilling the social and natural responsibility towards the resident of this society by spending more than 10 billion rupees on this lake, which is spread over 1600 canals of area and continues for like 3 kilometers. This isn't just a man-made marvel, it's a blend of natural resources and landscapes along with the smart infrastructure. This lake is itself an unprecedented into showing how the natural ecosystem could be sustained and preserved by managing natural resources, which eventually leads to the balanced natural ecosystem and the modern lifestyle. Let's talk about the impact of this lake on the surrounding properties of Gulberg Greens, Islamabad. This lake has profoundly influenced the surrounding properties of Gulberg Greens, Islamabad. As we discussed earlier, we have many of the farmhouses that are in direct facing of this lake, which definitely adds serenity, but this lake has added a lot of value appreciation in those properties. For instance, if you talk about a 4-canal listing, which once used to be standing at 100 million price, is now being traded at more than 140 million rupees, which means that there has been more than 30% value appreciation in the properties that are in direct facing of lake. However, the properties that are a little far away from this lake, even they have witnessed more than 10 to 20% of appreciation, which definitely is a good sign for the residents, and also this turns out to be a good tourist spot for the residents of Rawalpindi and Islamabad.